Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I will show you how to save contacts in Gmail account permanently. The method is very easy and simple. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to your mobile phone dialer, then click on contacts. Now click on settings in top right corner. Now here you can see option of import and export contacts. Click here. Now click on export to storage device. Here you have many options. You have to click on all contacts. I want to export all contacts. Here you can select your path where you want to save these contacts or export these contacts. I select documents. Click on done. Then click on this export option. Your all contacts will exported. Now click on the send option. Now go to your Gmail. Then click on top right corner. Now click on this Google account option. Now go to peoples and sharing. Click here and then you can see an option of contacts. No contacts yet. Click on this option. Now you have to click on this import contacts. Click here. Select files from your file manager or your gallery. Click here. Go to files, then go to files manager. Then go to documents. I have already saved these contacts here. Click here. I select all my contacts. Then you have to click on bottom import option. It will take 10 to 15 seconds and your all contacts will import here. Here you can see my all contacts are here. With this method you can easily save your contacts in your gallery, then import it into your Gmail. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.